Hello there, my beautiful French Caribbean music lovers. What's going on? This is Rey Starz from Rey Starz Reactions, and today we are going to react to a new artist. To me, this is a new artist. She goes by the name of LYCINAIS JEAN, and the title of the track is Danje. So, let's listen to the track, okay? And as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe. All right, here we go. LYCINAIS JEAN, Danje. Danje means danger. All right, here we go.
Pour mettre colère à genoux, moi t'ai fait traque sa pou. Si au côté m'nan machine nous va l'amour aptan nous. Moi qu'a payé pour venir, ticket avion ou ak taxi. Moi connais rien pas fini, et j'espère pis bon timing. Où elle aime danger, où t'es madame encore et encore, où t'es qu'elle le danger. Où t'es prends plaisir à faire mon parler l'aime danger. Si un jour rencontrer ma chance, même si la vont changer. Au parler l'aime danger, même si vous faites marier. She my God is pas un coup de teaser. Oh my God is pas un sexy you. C'est toi qu'on pense au foulé ou nager. Oh baby c'est non mais moi nous ménager. Même d'amour mais possessif parfois. Même qu'on est avec ou bébé moi pas qu'elle. L'Italie qu'elle est baba ou la vie ou mérite. Où elle aime danger, où t'es madame encore et encore, où t'es qu'elle le danger.
Wow. Well, this sounds like a love triangle right now. I mean, the lyrics is very good. And, she said she wrote this track for her. So when she's in the car, she can listen to the track. And it tells her that this person is not giving her what is not there for her. That's what I'm getting out of it. It's very good with the lyrics. And with LYCINAIS JEAN, it's seems like she has range, because I could hear that she can change her tone, like her vocal range is changing. It's very, very, very good. Very emotional track. So far I like it. And of course, I'm gonna do like a deeper dive to find out more about this artist. And I think the producer might be Jazzy Key. And it's good. I enjoy it, and I'm digging it. Let's get back into it. All right. LYCINAIS JEAN. That's it.
Tellement où t'es prends plaisir à faire mon parler l'aime danger. Si un jour rencontrer ma chance, même si la vont changer. Au parler l'aime danger, même si vous faites marier.
Yeah, this is very, very good. Very emotional. I really love the lyric. And in the lyric, I'm asking the viewers if you know what courtiser mean in this context. I don't know what courtiser means in this context. So 100% Haitian, but some words sometimes I know what courtiser mean, but I don't know what courtiser mean in this context. So if you know what it is, please tell me how she's using it. All right. But yeah, great, great, great track. A new artist to me, and her name is LYCINAIS JEAN. And I think the producer on the track is Jazzy Key. All right. Again, please support LYCINAIS JEAN as always. All right. And like Rey Starz always says, be nice to one another. Okay. And peace out. See you on the next one.
ma chance, même si la vous changer. Ou pas le rele